everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a two-part video. I'm going to be doing part of the meal now, and then I will come back later this afternoon to show you the other part. So I'm going to be making chicken noodle soup with homemade egg noodles. The egg noodle recipe is actually my grandma's, so it's very special to me, but winter is here, snow on the ground, so it is officially time to be making more soups on a regular basis. So I'm going to show you how I make the egg noodles now, and then this afternoon I will come back and show you how I make the soup in my Instant Pot. So the noodles have been drying out for about 6 hours or so. So they're nice and dry and ready to go. So I will do those last. So now I'm going to cut up all the vegetables and put everything in my Instant Pot for the chicken noodle soup. Taste test time. Smells delicious in the house. I will say with the soup, because there was so much liquid, which I didn't even think about this, it did take longer to come to pressure. So we are eating dinner a little bit later than we normally do, but that's okay. It's worth the wait. And so if you saw in the video that the chicken looked a little yellow, that's from the turmeric. So I like turmeric. It's good for inflammation. It's good for your body. So I thought I would add a little bit in there. You obviously don't have to. That's just what I like to do. And then same with the egg noodles. Do you have to make your own egg noodles? No. You can get a package. But I like making my own egg noodles, and my family actually prefers these noodles, but obviously I can't make homemade egg noodles every single time we have a noodle dish, but it's fun to do every once in a while, so I'm going to give it a taste. Get a piece here. Oops. And noodle. Delicious. A perfect meal on a cold winter night. I will post the recipe for the egg noodles as well as the chicken noodle soup recipe for you to try at home. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that way you know when new videos are coming out. I put out new recipes on Monday, but comment below and let me know what you are having for dinner tonight. I'll see you next time.